Hey there, it's Fernando from Seriously Smart Technologies, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite biofeedback accessories that we sell, and that is the Silverline Face Veil Kit. As you can see, I have my own, and it is such an amazing product. Its size is about 11 inches by 11 inches, and the size may vary a little bit, and it does also come with a cable where that you can connect the alligator clip to one of the corners of the face veil and then place it, and then you can plug the banana clip into the red port of your device, and that's for sending frequencies to the client. However, if you've watched our training webinars, you know how I like to use this, plugging it into the black port and making my sessions more effective. Now, why do I like this product so much? It's because it is so versatile beyond its name. Yes, it is the face veil kit. It's very comfortable to place on a client's face. It's easy to breathe through. It's easy to see through. However, you can use it on all other body parts. With some of my own clients, I've used it on putting on shoulders, on knees, and on lower backs, just to name a few places. Now, with this product, you want to make sure to put the silver against the skin on the client, and you will want to make sure that you ask your client before putting it on them if they have a silver allergy or not. You wouldn't want to put it on them if they have a silver allergy. Now here at SST, we have a huge current biofeedback training webinar catalog, and I wanted to tell you about 4 training webinars minimum that talk about how to use the face veil kit. One would be Effective Use of Harness and Accessories 2018. There's also Stress, Beauty, and Anti-Aging, Stress and Joint Health, and Stress and Trauma. Those are 4 just to name a few. Now this product is super easy to clean. You could just spray it with our Protex spray and then gently wipe it with a microfiber cloth and then let it hang dry. I have also used our laundry ball to wash it in a gentle cycle and then let it hang dry as well, and then it's ready for the next client. Now be careful with this fabric. It's so soft, and it is possible to stain it with something like essential oil. Well, thank you for taking the time to watch this and hearing me talk about the amazing face veil that we sell. This is Fernando from SST. Thanks and take care.